Hey, what's up? This is Rob, aka Amputee Z. This is just one of a series of videos about my cervical disc replacement surgery. I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to click the like and the subscribe button below. Hey, what's up? This is Rob, aka Amputee Z, and in today's video, I just kind of wanted to talk to people that may be in the same situation I am. I'm about 10 days post-op for cervical disc replacement. I had the M6C at the 5-6 level and the Fusion at the 6-7 level. I'm kind of feeling like I want to be able to do maybe a little exercising, maybe a little stretching, or I'm feeling comfortable enough and symptom-free enough to, try some maybe 2 pounds or elastic band exercises, just to keep that cardio going, keep the muscles going, and giving that neck a chance to heal, but at the same time, keeping the body, oiled up and ready to go once I get my voice back and able to, hopefully get back to as a pain-free living life that I had before. So, I just want to show you a couple exercises I use with the elastic band. I have this greenish yellow elastic band. It's the least resistant one. I have a blue one that's a lot tighter. And really what I do is I kind of just, wrap it around my hands one time and just kind of do maybe some like over the head stretches, back and forth, just very lightly. Going down, I bring it over and across the front of my chest, and I do them out this way. I try and do maybe like 10 or 15, just a little movement each day, trying to go a little bit further, maybe one more. Today, you could say I'm gonna try and go a little bit further on 5, or I'm just gonna try and do the same, but maybe do 10 today or 15, and just keeps the arms going, keeps the heart going, keeps your mind going. Another exercise I do is I'll step on the slack and I'll pull up enough with my right arm so that I have a 90-degree angle, and I'll just do like some bicep curls, and I'll step on as much slack as I need so I have enough resistance where I feel like the bicep curl is actually doing something for me. I got a little bit hanging off, I'm stepping on a big chunk, I'm getting a nice resistance, and I can actually feel like I'm kind of got like a dumbbell in my hand.